Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video we will show you beautiful pebbles to craft ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today's videos, friends. Viewers, friends, pebbles are one of nature's most beautiful materials. Their smooth texture, natural color, and unique shape make them perfect for decorating both outdoor and indoor space. Best of all, pebble stones projects are affordable, easy to make, and suitable for beginners. Let's begin with one of the most popular ideas. The pebble stone vase. Fill a clear glass vase with a smooth pebble and place fresh flower, dry branches, or artificial plants inside. This simple arrangement instantly creates a clean and modern centerpiece for your dining tables, coffee tables, or entryway. Another beautiful project is pebble candle holder. Arrange small stones around a glass candle jar using straw and cloth glue. The natural texture create a warm and relaxing atmosphere when the candles get lit. These handmade candles hold look wonderful in living room, bedrooms, or outdoor. Pebble picture frame are another creative ideas. Decorate a plain wooden frame with small stones in different color, size, and weavers. Pebble picture frame are another creative idea. Create a plain wooden frame with small stones in different colors, and you can cover the entry from a create decorative pattern around the edge. The finished frame become unique place to display your favorite family photos or travel memories. Wall art made from pebble is becoming increasingly popular by arranging stone into simple shape like tree, bird, flower, heart, family figures. You can create meaningful artwork that tell a story. Mount your design on a wooden board inside a shader box for a beautiful handmade decoration. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Friends, Allah Hafiz.